Hi guys, it has been a while but we are now back to work. Welcome to Domestic Tech Guide. Today we are going to see how to replace a socket. Here is a double socket. This socket has a problem. The switch doesn't switch. So that's why I want us to replace it. But before we start doing anything or open, we have to make sure that the power is cut off or we switch off the power. So let's go to the DB. We switch off the circuit breaker supplying this socket, then we can open and then do the replacement. Here is our DB, so let's open. So on my DB I have the labels. The socket I'm replacing is this one here. So if at your home you don't have the labels, it's better you switch off from the main breaker. But since mine is labeled and I know the particular circuit breaker supplying the other socket, so I will switch off the circuit breaker. Then I close back so that nobody can switch on when I'm working on the socket. So I'm going to close, go open the socket, replace, then after I will come back and switch on the breaker. Now let's open our socket. Even after opening, if you have a tester, you have to check whether the power is there or not. Now you can see you put the tester on the red terminal or the live. If it doesn't light here when you touch the tester behind, then that means there is no power. So now it is safe for us to open and remove the cables. In case you forget where you remove the cables from or how to connect, behind the socket where you terminate the cables from, there are letters. We have here the E meaning earth, we have the L meaning live, and then N meaning neutral. So if you look at our cables here, for this case the red cable is the live, the yellow green is the earth, black is the neutral. So we are going to get the yellow green, which is our earth, is the one which we connect here. So you have to open to make sure that the naked part enters in fully. It is not seen, so that it doesn't cause short circuit or join with another cable. So after pushing in, you have to make sure that it is tight enough. You have to make tight connection. Then our L, which is the live, we also push it in. Then we tighten. Have to make sure that the naked part is pushed fully inside. And then you tighten it. Then now here is our neutral, which we push on the end. You see, you have to push in that the naked part is not seen. Then you tighten it. So now there we are done terminating the 3 cables. Now we can fix back the socket. Then we shall later go back and switch on the breaker. So now we have done replacing our socket. So let's go on and switch on the breaker, then we come and test the socket. Then you see. So if you have a phase tester at home, you can use it to test the power. If you don't have, you can put any appliance in the socket, then you see. So I will just have to push it in one of the ports. then touch here the behind part, then switch on. So this light here indicates that our socket is okay and is ready for use. You can see.